So to carry on doing my repeat of my design, I've traced the first initial utensil that I've done onto cardboard, and now we're editing it, improving it. And if you remember, the handle was a bit too clumpy and I've elongated the neck. So I've traced around the utensil part, I've elongated the neck, and then I'm going to change the shape of this handle to make it a little bit more ergonomic. And as before, you want to cut that out, fold it in half, so you get two of them. I'll cut this bit out here. And you're going to keep doing this. You need to redo your cutlery about 3 times to get it right, I would say. And think about each time what it is that you're going to change to improve it. What is it that needs to be altered to make it better? So is it the ergonomics on the handle? Is it the actual utensil that's too big or too small? And is it the size or length of the handle? Is it too big or too small? So as before, I've traced it once it's folded in half, so it makes it nice and easy to make it the same, symmetrical. And then I can open this one up. So I've kept the end the same, but what I've done here is I've changed this part. I've given it an indented bit here so that hopefully that feels better. And yes, it does. It feels much better as a grip. So I've changed the shape on this part here to improve the shape of it. And you need to do this a few times. So I would do all of the utensils, not just the spoons, but make sure that you do yourself a fork and make sure you do yourself a knife as well. Okay. So by repeating this, you should end up with several prototypes. What I want you to do then is to get a piece of paper. I've got A3, you can use smaller than A3 if you like, and you need to stick these on. Okay, so you're going to place your cutlery in a row, showing the developmental stage. So this was the first one that I did. So I need to actually mark out and indicate which one these are. Remember to try and line these up. So before I stick them down on the paper, I'm also just going to make sure that they are lined up so that they are level, so that it's easy for me to see the progress across the design ideas. So we should end up with 3 designs for our first utensil. And then underneath here, you can write some notes. And in the PowerPoint that I've attached, I've already said what you need to write to annotate your design. So underneath each one, I can write some notes to explain what it is that I did. I can also point out where the key things are that I have done to change. So I can put some arrows on here and I can annotate and explain what it is to do to the handle here to make it better, how I made the neck a little bit longer at this point here. So you're annotating both in sentences and also in notes around your design idea, okay? And if you do this, you should be able to fill your page quite easily. The only thing that's missing is a title at the top, and we need to write modelling as a title at the top so I can see what this page is, okay? So you've got your modelling ideas page. Start cutting out of cardboard your different designs. The reason we've done them out of cardboard is, of course, because you can then hold them and you can make comments about ergonomics and anthropometrics, the size, the shape, the feel within your hand, okay? Hopefully that will help you produce your modelling sheet. Good luck.